Hello friends, so today we are going to start with a simple topic in algebra, that is combining like terms. And what we are going to study in this topic is if we are given some terms and we have to find the answer. Like, let's say the question is 2 times 2a plus b plus 3d minus 1 equals to a plus 2b plus 6d, and we can give it a plus 4, let's say. So this is the question, and what how we will be able to solve this question. So we'll just see. Let's solve it. Solution. Now what we have to do here is, it's very easy. The first thing what we'll do here is open and simplify it. Okay, open, if any brackets are present, then open the brackets and simplify it. Okay, so here this expression is there, which is multiplied by a 2. Okay, so we have to multiply 2 to each term of the expressions. Fine, so we will do 4a plus 2b plus 2 times 3 6d minus 2 equals to, this is the left hand side of the equation. It is called LHS. It is the right hand side. It will be same as it is. Fine. Now what we'll do is, we'll try to bring all the terms on the left side and we'll keep the constant term on the right side, which do not have any variable term. Okay, so it will become 4a. Now what I will do is, I will work here smartly. Okay, to decrease the number of steps, what we will do is, we'll write the like terms together. Okay, so this is 4a and this is a. So as I will bring this a on the left hand side, it will become a minus a. Now this plus 2b is here on the left hand side, and as soon as I will bring this 2b from the right hand side to the left hand side, it will become a negative 2b. Now I will write this as 6d. Now I will bring this 6d on the right hand side to the left hand side. Now what I will do is equals to, now see, a 4 is already there on the right hand side, and I will bring this minus 2, this is a negative 2, and as soon as I will bring it on the right hand side, it will become a positive 2. Okay, so now what I will do is, I will try to solve. And okay, here is some previous work from my another class. Fine. Okay, so we will solve each terms separately with speed. Okay, so what is the 4a minus a? It will become 3a. Okay, 2b minus 2 will become 0, and 6d minus 6d will become also a 0. So it will be 3a equals to 6, a equals to 6 by 3. That is, we are dividing the whole equation by 3, and we will get a 2. Okay, what we did here is, we just divided the whole equation by a 3. Okay, so this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and here you will get a equals to 2. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. It's a very basic concept. We can try 2 3 questions more of this kind. Fine, let's try to solve another question. Question 2. Okay, so I can write an expression that is 3x plus 2y into x plus y equals to, here I can write 12x will be 2xy, 3xy plus 5xy. This will become del square plus I can get here a 2y square. Okay. So this is the question given and you have to find the value, find value of x. Okay. Okay. So this question seems a little bit of tough question or a difficult question, but in reality, it is very easy question. See, I will reveal the question as soon as possible. Okay, so these are the two expressions given here. What we will do, first we will simplify this expression on the left hand side and we'll write this 3x. First, let's see this 3x. This 3x will multiply with x and y both. Okay. So as it will multiply with x and y both, it will make a 3x square plus 3xy. Okay. Plus now this 2y will do the same thing. It will be multiplied with x and multiplied with y. So it will become 2xy. Yx xy is the same thing. Okay. Plus 2y square. Okay. Equals to, on the right hand side we have 12x square. Okay. Uh, Here I can add a plus, let's say I can, okay, I need to do some changes in the question or else we'll get the answer 0. So what I can do, the changes here, what I can change here is I can subtract on the right hand side by a negative. 12 minus 3 will be 9. So I can subtract by, let's say, 81. Okay. Now see how the question becomes. Okay, as I made this question by myself, that's why we are having some little bit changes. Okay, xy plus 2y square minus 81. Okay, now as you are able to see here, what that this 2y square and 2y square get cancelled because anyhow you will bring this on the left hand side and then it will get cancelled, or we can just directly cancel it. Now see, this 3xy is there and the 2xy is there. So 3xy plus 2xy will become a 5xy, right? So can I cancel this 3xy plus 2xy and I can cancel this 5xy? Why? Because see, this box will result into 5xy only. Okay, fine. Now what I will do, we have remained with 3x square equals to 12x square minus 81. Now what I can do is I can see what there are practices. Okay, practices means anyhow you can solve this question. You can bring this 81 here and you can bring this 3x square here, or other method you can bring this 12x square here and then you can solve. So what we should do always is make the coefficient means the number which is multiplied to the variable or the term, make try to make it a positive number. Okay, so if I take this 12x square on the left hand side, it will become 3x square minus 12x square, which is equals to minus 9x square. Okay, this way also you can do, but it can there is a possibility that you can do some mistakes. Okay, so what I will do is I will follow the yellow method, which is the yellow arrows. Okay, so what I will do, I will bring the 81 on the left hand side, so this it is here a sorry, negative sign, so it will become positive, and this 12x square minus 3x square will give us 9x square. Okay, fine. So here I can write 81 equals to 9 times x square. Now I can divide the whole equation by a 9 so that we will get x square equals to 9. Okay. Now what I can do is I can do a square root on both the side. Okay. So as soon as I will do a square root on both the side, I will get x equals to plus or minus 3. Means here I get two values of it. This is two values of x, that is 3 and a negative 3. Okay. Why did I get why did I get two values of x? Because let can you tell me what is the square of minus 3? And the square of minus 3 will be also 9. Okay. And square of 3 can also be a 9. So that here we can say, here it is given x square equals to 9. So from this equations you can see that x can be a minus 3 also, or a negative 3 also, and x can be a positive 3 also. So both answers are correct until and unless you are not given any condition in the question. If I write here, if in the question I also write that, if I write here that x is greater than 0, okay, so if it is given that it is telling that x will be always positive, then what we have to do is we have to ignore this answer, means we cannot select this answer, and our final answer will be x equals to 3. Why? Because it is already given in the question that x is greater than 0, so we can't select this negative 3, or else it will contradict the conditions given in the questions. Okay, so in this way you will be able to solve different types of questions. And what you can do is you can just let me know that if you have any doubt, if you have any queries in the comment section, and I will try to help you out. Happy learning.